In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the year-end in Xero. Managing your financial year-end is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records, and I'm here to guide you through each step of this simple process in Xero. To start, make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see a navigation bar running across the top. We want to focus on the option that says Accounting. This is your gateway to many essential functions within Xero, so go ahead and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Accounting Settings. Clicking here will take you into the settings specific to your accounting needs, where you'll adjust the financial year-end. Once you're in the Accounting Settings page, you'll notice a section labeled Financial Settings. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your financial year-end. Click on Financial Settings to further hone into the specific options for your account. With this click, you're opening up the possibilities to tailor your financial year-end to better suit your business needs and reporting preferences. You'll see various fields and options here, but our focus is on one particular line. Look for something that states Financial Year-End. Next to this information, you'll find a button labeled Change. This button is your gateway to selecting the exact day and month when your financial year should conclude. Go ahead and click Change. It's time to customize. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to choose the day and month that best reflect your business's financial cycle. Use the drop-down fields to select the appropriate date. This flexibility is crucial for aligning your financial practices with tax objectives, business milestones, or operational rhythms. Make sure that the day and month you select align well with your overall business strategy and any regional tax requirements you might need to comply with. Once you're satisfied with your selection, it's important to finalize and save these changes. So, scroll to the bottom of this section and click the Save button. By saving, you're ensuring that these adjustments take effect, providing your business with a seamless transition into the new financial period. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the financial year-end in Xero. This small but significant update can help in aligning your financial records to better suit your business's operational and strategic needs. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Remember, keeping your financial information accurate and up-to-date is key to sound financial management. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out our other tutorials for more insights into leveraging Xero for your business needs.